Ah! So it is currently 11:22. I'm recording kind of an early trade journal. I'm not even gonna look at the charts yet because I already saw what happened, but I just want to talk first. Let me drink. So, I made a mistake, bad mistake today. Should have just waited. I should have just waited. Um, Unfortunately, it was not a good trading day at all, and it really sucked. But it's all right. So we're gonna look at it right now. So basically, what happened was for some strange, absurd reason, we took out London, or we took out New York lows here, and we took out New York and London lows here. Um, I don't really get why we wanted to target bearish liquidity when we were 183 points away from it, but I guess so, right? And we kind of just consolidated on the 30-minute time frame. However, if we look on the 1 minute, price is now moving up towards these highs, and I suck. I suck. I don't know. I should have just took the shorts up here that I saw. That was a terrible thing I didn't do. It's hot in my house now, so I made a mistake. Yeah, I should have taken the shorts there, and if I had taken the shorts, I would have had caught like 90. It was 90 something points. I'm not even gonna try right now. I'm really mad. I would have caught some 90 something points down to the 50%, and I could have held for a little longer too, down to towards here, and I would have been profitable on the day, but I didn't. And instead, I took a trade down here, which I was really confident in, and we saw price move up, and then immediately, before we even got to a 50% or any confluence, we just immediately rejected like this. I don't really know why there was no news that would have indicated that. The only thing that would have indicated it was that Dow Jones was moving higher, and I hate Dow Jones. I hate it. It's so stupid the way it moves. But you know what? I just started using Dow Jones pretty recently, so I guess now I know for next time when Dow Jones does some genuine, like random off stuff like that, it's just a good time to just do the opposite of Dow Jones because it was just so random. Dow Jones was moving all the way up here. Yesterday it was moving all the way down here. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. I don't like Dow Jones. It's really pointless, in my opinion, to even do any of that. But yeah, so now price seems to be moving up. We could potentially take out my target. Probably will, because I want bullish on the day. Um, and we are closing bullish. Or we are at a bullish candle so far. I don't. It doesn't seem like we would move lower, because like, what is that, right? But yeah, so I just made a really big mistake. When I saw Dow Jones moving like this and Nasdaq and S&P moving like this, I should have just faded today completely and not traded, taken my profits. 1500 isn't bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. Um, and if I had taken that profit, I would have been fine. I would have been great. Um, I think I think realistically today, after I shouldn't have taken the first trade, and I should have only taken my second trade. After that first trade, I was more wary of what was happening, and that second trade really screwed me. When I saw this candle, I should have closed more than half the position and brought up to break even. Because that's part of the strategy. When I'm unsure, I take out half and I move up to break even, so I don't lose anymore, right? And I should have done that. And then if I would have done that, I would have mitigated some of my losses, and break even would have been perfect for me. And then I could have just waited to take a third trade in the day, and I would have been fine. So, um, trading wise, when I took trades, I made one mistake taking the first trade because I should not have taken that. Um, I only took it because I was scared that I was gonna miss the move, and that was terrible. If I was scared to miss the move, I should have taken this short up here, but I didn't, and it was stupid of me. So I definitely should have waited, and then on the second trade, when I was unsure, I should have closed out half the position and brought up to break even, and that way if I hadn't take this trade here, and if I had done this strategy here, I would have been profiting on the day, not by anything insane, maybe $300-400, but it still would have been better than negative 1,000, right? Um, and then I could have waited and then taken another trade around here after we saw this strong move right here, mitigating, or not mitigating, breaking this level and this level here, and then coming down here. This is a mitigation block. Sorry, I don't believe that's a mitigation block. I'm tripping out of my mind right now. But it is a breaker right here, and it's just a lot of levels over here, and yeah, I just really screwed up today. Um, but yeah, today was Friday, and I screwed up. I only have 50% win rate this week. Frankly, Monday wasn't a trading day, so I didn't take any trades or anything. But you know, it's better than losing every day of this week, right? Total profit onto this week, like $500, which is terrible, horrible. Um, so yeah, hopefully tomorrow I have time. I'm gonna try to get a back testing video out, and then Sunday I'm gonna try to go ahead and get the setup video out. But overall this week I was again pretty spot on. Not exactly bar for bar, word for word. Every single move was exactly what I wanted, but it was mostly what I wanted. Monday was bullish, Tuesday was bullish, Wednesday bearish, Thursday bullish, Friday bullish. I wanted it to. This was my second prediction again, right? My first prediction was Monday bullish, Tuesday doji, Wednesday bearish, Thursday and Friday touch ISP, and then bull. Wait, yeah. Um, but then my second one was Monday bullish, Tuesday bullish, Wednesday bearish into ISP levels and new week opening gap. Thursday low, open low high close, which is a bullish candle, but touching ISP, didn't touch ISP, and then Friday also a bullish candle, right? So basically almost spot on, right? So I'm gonna keep doing these Sunday setup videos because it really is helping me. And I think something else I need to keep in mind is to start using this indicator a little more. Let me decrease this to like 70 so it's easier to see. Even more than that, actually. Let's decrease it to like 50. Um, and that way I can actually use it because I used to use this as a indicator of where we might want to go and what we might want to do at what point in time. And I just haven't been using it recently, but now I'm going to start using it more again. But yeah, hopefully next week we can get a better trading week. I ended off this week 50% win rate with total of like 500, no, not even, like $300 to $400 worth of profit. Um, but yeah, unfortunate as it is, that's the whole reason why I'm doing this series anyways, because I want to learn how to get more consistent. I want to refine my strategy and make it better. Um, Create a better mental mindset whenever it comes to taking trades and holding trades. Create a better strategy when it comes to shaky trades and unsure trading days. And you know, every single loss that I've taken thus far has been helping me learn what I should change for the future, and then how to continue to refine every single little aspect of my strategy. Um, But yeah, hopefully tomorrow and Sunday I can get a video out, and then I pray that the next week we can target for 3 to 4 winning trading days, maybe even 5. And when I say winning trading days, I don't mean like small wins like $300 to $400 a day. I'm talking thousands and thousands and thousands per day. Um, but yeah, so that's just gonna be it for this trading journal. I didn't write anything down. But yeah, hopefully the next week will provide for a better trading week.